To use the formula IF to pull an image based on a student's score, I first need to have a column with my scores. I need to have a column with my badges. I then need to enter my scores, so I'll enter 25, 5, and 50 as examples. And now I want to type in my formula, which is equals if my sheet name, which is my name, then the column and the cell where my score is, greater than, I want it to be greater than 19, so students have to score at least a 19, image, and I'm just for now going to type URL here, and I'll fill in the rest later. So I have that in quotation marks with a parentheses, comma, then two quotation marks. This will return a blank if it's false, if it's less than a 19, and end with my parentheses. Now, nothing's going to show because I don't have a URL. So now I need to go to badges, find a URL, copy that URL, then go back to my named sheet, highlight in between the two quotation marks, and paste. Once my badge shows up, I then want to click on the small blue box at the bottom right of the cell and copy down. And you'll see that when the score is less than 19, I don't earn a badge. If it's greater than 19, I do earn a badge. You'll notice when I click on my badges sheet, I also have a series of badges over here in the C column. These were just inserted directly into the column instead of using a URL. When I click back on my named, I can, instead of having this formula, I can type equals if parentheses, Emma, exclamation mark, D4, because that's the row I'm on, is greater than 19. I'm going to look and reference the badges sheet, and I'm going to use my absolute reference for column C, and we'll just pick 4, row 4, and hit enter, and you'll see I have a different badge that pops up.